Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today I am drawing a sketch of a cute cartoon character. Let's draw with me kids step by step and see what I am drawing. See now, today what I am drawing. I am drawing a beautiful little cartoon character. Who is this? Guess kids. Who is this? Guess now. Today, which cartoon character I am drawing? Guess kids, who is this? See how I am drawing a sketch and drawing now with me a sketch. Wow, I am drawing a beautiful Dora cartoon step by step. This is D for Dora. I am drawing Dora. Now we can drawing boots of the monkey with Dora. Wow, next I am drawing boots of the monkey. Boots of the monkey are Dora's friend. Wow, a cute little monkey. It's very easy to draw step by step Dora and the boots of the monkey. Now drawing with me kids now. See, I am drawing beautiful cartoon character. Now I am drawing a little sunflower in Dora and the Boots cartoon scenery. Boots speak sunflower. Wow, this is a beautiful sunflower. A beautiful butterfly. D for Dora. Alphabet D. Alphabet D. D for Dora. Now I am finishing my sketch kid. Now coloring with me. I am doing dark brown color. I am doing dark brown color in Dora's head. In Dora's head. Now finishing coloring in Dora's hair. For Dora's hair. Now skin color in face of Dora. Now coloring with me kids. I am doing skin color in Dora's face. Wow, skin color in Dora's hands. Dora's hand. Before Dora's hand. Now in legs. Now we can do red color in shirt of Dora. Before Dora. Red color in shirt of Dora. Red color in shirt of Dora the Explorer. I am doing purple color in Dora's bag. Dora's bag. Purple color. Now I am doing sky blue color in Dora's pant. Dora's pant. This is blue color. Now we can doing green color in grass. Green color in grass. Before grass. Now pink color in butterfly. Pink and orange color in butterfly. Dark brown color in stem of sunflower. Yellow color in leaves of sunflower. Yellow color in leaves of sunflower. Next, we can do dark blue color in boots of the monkey. Boots of the monkey. Before boots of the monkey. Now grey color in body of boots of the monkey. Body of boots of the monkey. Body of boots of the monkey. Grey color. Now coloring with me kids in Dora's boots of the monkey. Now next body part is yellow color of boots of the monkey. Now I am doing Dark pink color in alphabet D. Pink color in alphabet D. D for Dora's boots. Dora's boots. Candy. Now orange color in Dora's shoes. Wow.